The Satpura landscape in north and south of the Narmada River in central India has three magnificent tiger reserves. They are Kanha, Pech, and Satpura. This time we are on our way to Kanha Tiger Reserve. The lowland forest in this landscape is a mixture of sal and other mixed forest trees, interspersed with meadows. The highland forests are tropical moist, dry deciduous, and of a completely different nature, and we see bamboo on slopes. Due to the forest management practices, we can still see living forests in this landscape, and one can truly call it a perfect tiger habitat. Cheetah are active throughout the day. In the summertime, they spend most of the time under shade. As days grow cooler, foraging begins before sunrise and peaks by early morning. Their activity slows down during midday when the animals rest or loiter about slowly. These deer typically move in a single file on specific tracks, typically in search of food and water. The tiger began its journey on Earth about 2 million years ago and has roamed in the central Indian highlands for billions of days and nights. Tiger sits at the apex of the biotic pyramid and has to be protected at every cost. Apart from supporting a viable population of tiger, Ghana has also distinguished itself in saving the highly endangered hard-ground barasingha from extinction. Only recently, a few barasinghas from Kanha have been relocated in Bori Sanctuary, while some also have been brought to Van Vihar National Park in Bhopal. The sambar is a large deer native to the Indian subcontinent, southern China, and Southeast Asia. Sambar populations have declined due to hunting and overexploitation of their habitat. They know how to feed themselves and survive, and that's what they have done for millions of years. Wild boar live in groups made up of adult males, females, and the young. These groups are known as sounders. There is a good wild boar population in Kanha. Wild boar are natural plowers and they perform the valuable task of tilling the forest surface. If we want to protect the tiger, we shall have to ensure our forests remain living forests. A forest can be a living forest only when the different strata of the forest community are intact, when there is abundance of grass, shrub, moisture, and enough worms, insects, and reptiles to burrow the soil and make the ground porous, to allow rainwater to percolate and recharge groundwater. Our forests can regenerate only when all this is intact. Ecology and economics cannot be segregated. We use the term ecological balance and sustainability too often, though we understand very little about it. Matter and energy and all forms of life depend on forest, water bodies, and grasslands. The message is straight: conservation, conservation, and conservation, or else there is bound to be extinction, extinction, and extinction of different species. There is a verse in Mahabharata, in Udyoga Parvam, chapter 29. It goes like this: Nirvano vadhyate vayagro nirvyagram chidyate vanam tasmad vyagro vanam rakshid vanam Vayagaram ja palayet. It means the tiger out of the woods is easily slain. The wood also that is without a tiger is easily cut down. Therefore, it is the tiger that protects the forest and the forest that shelters the tiger.